Hello and good morning, dear children. So today I'm here again with your English online class. So I welcome you on this pleasant morning of Monday and high five to all my dear children. So today I'm here with your NCB book, course book, Communicate with Cambridge with Unit 5, Section A, Fire in the Forest. Okay, the name of the chapter is Fire in the Forest and the author is Nora Allen Burke. Page number 94, we're going to start with. Right? Now, before going to the chapter, before starting this lesson, this story or this chapter is really interesting and gives us a very good lesson and value about the life. Correct? See student, English is basically of 4 skills: reading, writing, speaking, listening. So these 4 skills we have in our English. So in this, the reading skill will read the story, will read the paragraph and understand the story. We will be using a listening skill, listen to the tale about the survival. How a mother deer gave her a full effort to save her baby. Okay. So in this story, children, what are the learning objectives we have? We will learn, we will see, we will read and understand a tale. Tale means story. About the survival of a brave hen. Hen means female deer. Hiran इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग. And his fawn, baby. Okay. Remember children, कि the deer baby is called fawn. Like dog baby is called puppy. Okay. The lion baby is called kid or cub. Correct? Duck baby is called duckling. Pig baby is called piglet. Correct? So over here, cow baby is called calf. Correct? The baby of goat is called kid. The baby of lamb is called, okay, kid. So over here, what we learn? We learn and understand how the mother, the dear mother, the hen, gave her a full effort and saved her baby from the fire. Okay. Then, what is the next learning objective we learn? The close relationship between a mother and a child. एक माँ और बच्चे के बीच में प्रेम. वो प्रेम जिसकी हम कभी तुलना नहीं कर सकते. वो प्रेम जिसकी कोई परिभाषा नहीं हो सकती. Okay, now here, whether it's a human or animal, the love for mother for a baby is endless. The love of a mother for her baby or his baby is endless. इसकी कोई end नहीं, कोई सीमा नहीं होती है. Right? And what we will appreciate a tale about the survival of mother and a fawn in the face of wildlife. ये एक घना जंगल है जिसमें घने जंगल में आग लग जाती है और कैसे एक माँ अपने बच्चे को उस घने जंगल के आग से बचाने की कोशिश बचाती है. वो खुद भले तकलीफ में हो जाती है पर उसकी एक ही एम होता है, एक ही गोल होता है कि मुझे अपने बच्चे को उसे बचाना है हर कीमत पे. राइट? Let's take a very simple example of ourselves. हम अपने आप का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. Our mother, our father, they sacrifice their happiness for us. वो अपनी खुशी को त्याग करके हमारी हर मनोकामना, हमें हर इच्छा पूरी करते हैं. Right? You demand for anything, you just ask, they will give you. Right? See, अगर हम अपनी बात करें, see, before you get up from the bed, your mother is already there in the kitchen, and from day till night, she continues to keep working. for the family. Right? बोलते हैं ना कि एक जो कर्मचारी means a person gets retired at the age of 60, but mother doesn't get retired. माँ कभी रिटायर होती नहीं है. एक पिता, एक कर्मचारी एक 60 साल की उम्र के बाद रिटायर हो जाता है अपने काम से, अपने जॉब से, पर एक माँ है जो उसको रिटायरमेंट नहीं होती. ठीक? इवन द मदर, शी इज नॉट वेल. माँ मम्मी कभी कभी तबीयत खराब भी हो जाती है, फिर भी टिल ऑल्सो शी टेक्स केयर ऑफ द फैमिली, टेक्स केयर ऑफ द हस्बैंड, टेक्स केयर ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन. दैट इज द लव ऑफ अ मदर. तभी बोलते हैं ना, गॉड कैन नॉट बी एवरीवेयर, सो फॉर दैट गॉड हैज गिवन अस एन एंजल मदर. माँ जो एक एंजल है, जो means she is there to protect us. So here in this story, the mother, the brave hen, the female deer, protected her child, her baby fawn, from the forest, burning forest. This is a very interesting story, children. ये बहुत ही interesting story है, बहुत अच्छी story है, where we will learn the value of life. We will learn the importance of mother. Correct? See, you must have seen, in fact, in the news that in 2020, in Australia, in the huge forest, the fire was caught. आग लग गई थी, where many animals died. Many homes of the animals were destroyed, burnt. जानवरों के घर जल गए, कई जानवर की जान चली गई उस in that fire, which was called as a bushfire in Australia in 2020. You must have heard, you must have seen in the news, right? So this story is about the mother, that how she has tried her best and has saved the life of the baby. Right? So let's start with the chapter. So the fire spread rapidly. Rapidly means very quickly, very fast. Rapidly is what? Rapidly is my adverb. Okay, it's telling more about the verb. Rapidly means adverb. So rapidly is my adverb. The fire मतलब आग बहुत तेजी से उस जंगल में बढ़ी. Okay. See, the smokes was seen by the forest department. Whenever there is a fire, you can see the smokes coming out, right? It can be identified there are fire spots somewhere. So the forest department, the officers, those who are in charge of the forest, okay, why they are forest department? So that no animals or people come for hunting the animals, they can be saved. So the smoke was seen in the forest by the forest department people, who immediately went into action. The moment they have seen that there was a fire in the forest, they have taken their position. Means they were on their toes to try to control the fire. Right? Like when in cities I'm talking about, in cities or in, okay, when there is any fire caught in the house, जब घर में आग लग जाती है, so there are fire brigades over here, fire extinguishers, they come and they do their duties to save the life of the people. Okay, you must have seen, okay, in the news and in the movies and all. So the people immediately went into action to halt the fire. Halt the fire means to control the fire. They wanted to control the fire. They wanted to, because they don't want that fire should spread all over the forest and prevent any further damage. And prevent means they don't want that any damage to take place, because in the forest there are so many animals. The house of animals is what? Forest. They live there. Whether it's a bird or any animals, it is their house. सो अगर घर में आग लग जाएगी तो कहां जाएंगे वो लोग, राइट? सो द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफिसर्स, दे took the responsibilities and went into the action to control the damage and the death. They don't wanted any damage or any death, any animals should die. Soon men were on the next fire line, means they have taken their weapons, their everything, and they were on the way to protect the animals, and also they wanted to take control that this fire should not spread all over the forest. It was their responsibility, correct? Already cut through a jungle for exactly this purpose. Okay, the forest was on two halves, okay, and they wanted to see exactly the purpose of all trees and undergrowth cleared away. They wanted that they wanted to save the trees, they wanted to save the animals, this forest department. Okay, when two fires met, there will be nothing left. Means जो आग लगी थी वो दोनों तरफ से लगी थी, from two directions. If both these 2 points meet, then the whole forest will be finished, will be ओके। तो उनका ये मकसद था फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का, किसी तरह से इस आग पे कंट्रोल करना और ज्यादा से ज्यादा जानवरों की और जंगल को बचाना, ताकि ये आग आगे ना बढ़े, ताकि इस आग के बढ़ने से जितने भी जानवर हैं, जितने भी एनिमल्स रहते हैं उस जंगल में, उनकी जान चली जाएगी। तो उनका एक ही एम था कि किसी भी तरह से कंट्रोल करना, राइट? एंड that is why it is said that the value of this chapter is survival and hope. How to survive these animals now. But among the spectral shadows, spotted deer was lying, and there comes the main character of the story, that the deer, the female deer with baby lying on the ground, lying on the forest, and this newborn baby of just few months baby, she had recently given birth to a fawn. She had recently given birth, okay, to a fawn, lying herself away from the herd. Herd is what? If I talk about herd is my collective noun. Collective noun. Right? Like if I say a pride of lions, jahan par ek group, lion groups, they walk together. If I say an army of ant, bunch of keys, a bouquet of flowers, these are my collective nouns. So when these animals are in group, correct? So when they are in large gang of animals are in group, they are called herd. Okay, like a herd of elephants. Correct? Pile of books. When I am saying a pile of books, it means it is my collective noun. It is in group together. And she had recently given birth to a fawn. Recently means maybe a few months ago, a few days ago she has given birth. So female deer has given birth to baby, and the baby of deer is called fawn. Right? Baby deer is called fawn. So like all other deer, she never thought about tigers and panthers. Yes, she never thought of any other animals. She was protecting her baby. See, a newborn baby cannot walk and cannot run, cannot get up and run quickly, right? So mother was there to protect the baby. She was not bothered whether any panther or any tiger will come and attack. She is there to protect the baby. वो baby को protect करने के लिए वहाँ थी, अपने बच्चे को. Unless she could actually see one, but she was on the alert. वो हमेशा अलर्ट थी. But she was on the alert whole time. मतलब वो चौकन्ने रहती थी. अपने बच्चे को बचाने के लिए, अपने बच्चे को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए साथ में बैठी रहती थी कि कहीं से कोई दूसरा जानवर या शेर या बाघ या चीता या कोई भी जानवर आके उसको अटैक ना करे, इसलिए वो अपने बच्चे के आसपास रहती थी, उसको कवर करके रखती थी. ये होता है माँ का प्यार. दिस इज कॉल्ड मदर्स लव, यू नो. When you get sick, जब आप बीमार पड़ते हो, your mother, you know, she is there, she also covers you, she also protects you. Okay. When you go out, जब आप बाहर खेलने जाते हो और आप टाइम से नहीं आते हो, she will be calling you to find out where are you. कोई भी तकलीफ होती है, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो your mother and father are the first to solve the problem. Right? So here, the alert for the whole time. She's alert. जो डियर है, जो मदर डियर है, वो हमेशा अलर्ट रहती है, चौकन्ने रहती है कि कहीं से कोई दूसरा जानवर आके अटैक ना कर दे और कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Her great ears never still but constantly flicking. Okay, लगातार. उसके जो कान होते हैं ना, ऐसे से ऐसे. Okay, have you seen? You must have seen in the Discovery or in the National Geographic channel, right? अगर टीवीज, अगर मूवीज से टाइम मिल जाए, इफ यू गेट टाइम आउट ऑफ मूवीज और गेम से, तो कभी नेशनल ज्योग्राफी और डिस्कवरी देख लिया करो. ठीक है? वो भी एक नॉलेज वाला चैनल है. यू विल गेट नॉलेज, यू विल गेट समथिंग टू लर्न. सारा दिन बैठ के वो ऑनलाइन गेम्स और मूवीज से टाइम निकाल के तो वो भी देखा करो. Okay, she bent her head to the fawn. Bent means she kneeled down like this, looking to her baby. माँ जो है, जो हिरन जो थी, मतलब अपने बच्चे की तरफ इस तरह से थोड़ा सा झुक के देखी. His tiny brown body, tiny, छोटा brown body. So tiny brown body. So this is describing about the adjectives. Tiny brown body like a nut in the pocket of grass. छोटे से, छोटा सा बच्चा जैसे होता है न्यूबॉर्न बेबी, जैसे when we see a newborn baby of human being, छोटा सा शिशु, उस तरह से छोटा सा बच्चा उसके माँ के पास बैठा हुआ है और वो माँ जो है बहुत प्यार से अपने बच्चे को देखती है. You know, as she leant over him, he raised his face to hers and they touched. और माँ, जैसे माँ ने उसको देखा, जैसे ही माँ ने उसको देखा, उसको ऐसा देखा और बोला कि आप देख के बोलते हैं कि उसने बच्चे ने माँ को देखा और दोनों एक दूसरे को प्यार करने लग गए. That love, that touch is the love of the parents, right? She got to her feet and stood with outstretched neck, staring nervously upwind. So mother, now the dear mother could smell something is going, she could smell in the air. Okay, mother dear, she got to her feet and stood with outstretched. She was lying down. Okay, माँ जो अपने बच्चे के साथ बैठी थी उस ग्राउंड पे फॉरेस्ट और उठी और हवा ऊपर, she looked upwind and she could feel, mother dear could feel that there's something wrong in the forest. See, animals are so having sense that they could feel. Like dog can smell. Dog has a good smelling power, right? The animals, they are very, God has given them extra power. So the dear mother could feel, उसको महसूस कर सकते कुछ है. Something is there in the forest. Something wrong is going in the forest. She stamped lightly in the warming and stood ready to stamp away. Or like this, अपने पैर को जमीन में stamp करना. Like this, stamped. Stamped means lying, bring down one foot. Okay, like this, अपने पैर को जमीन में stamp करना. Yes, it was a smell. Her eyes began to smart and she sneezed. Yes, it was a smell. She could smell something fishy is going, something wrong is going in the forest. She sneezed, small from the nose, mouth and nostrils. She could smell from her nostrils that in the forest there's something happened. The wind was picking up as the heat of the fire increased and changed its direction. The wind was, जैसे जैसे हवा चल रही थी, आग की लपटें और तेजी हो रही थी. हवा से आग की लपटें और जो spark था वो और तेज हो रहा था. And nothing increased the change the direction. So here we'll stop. Here we'll stop and we'll continue the next class. Thank you.